Alright, I did some reading, and I've decided that I'm gonna just go ahead and do it. And then when I screw something up, I'm going to read what I should be reading right now, because that's too many words and book learning shit for me. I'd rather just break it and then have to fix it later. Wow, I haven't listened to Mastodon in a while. I don't know why. Great band. Carbon intake or coil? I go coil first. From what I glossed over, there could be an issue with timing. I'll deal with that as I come to it. Doesn't seem to be holding compression too well. That turns way too easy. That decom valve sounds like it's leaking. Yeah. In that video, there was that strange puff sound. That doesn't sound good. At one point, I was like, is that early detonation? And you can feel it when you turn the flywheel. It's not holding compression like it should. That's awesome. That's going to be a snug fit. I wonder if I can just change these wires out.
10. For exclusions, main 1.
Got Shmoo holding it in. I'm gonna do some more book reading here. It's something I haven't done before, but apparently these wires just thread out, but there's a sealant on there, so I gotta break that sealant. Who's waiting for me to cut the shit out myself? I am. I don't want to ruin a brand new coil. I'm just going to call it for the night. It's already like 11 o'clock. Do some more reading and get back to this tomorrow. Alright, next morning, in a fresh start, I'm going to take this coil off and then put the coil on hold for a minute because I want to explore this decomp valve further first. And I kind of forgot I even bought this. So let's use that for the first time. But gotta make some flanges first. Get up. You should take on quite a project when my sisters bought houses.
Yes, I did.
Damn it. There's the other one.
Different muffler setup than I've ever seen.
They would go into some homes to maim themselves in their madness.
Doesn't fit in there vertically. Let's throw some sparks around a nice fuel-covered workbench, shall we? Sounds like a plan to me. Apparently a compressor's got a bunch of water in it. So I don't know what kind of connection I need to make to that flange. Yeah, it was only after I bought it that I learned This blue point is really just a licensed Mighty Vac, and I paid like 3 times more than I needed to. So that sucks. What I'm gonna do is just use one of these tips. I'm gonna chamfer the hole I drill in there, and then put an O-ring on so that it presses into that chamfer and should theoretically seal. It'll work a little better.
I'm part of eating sloppy egg.
Oh shit. Or if I have some tubing I can make as spacers. Looks like this optional Canadian safety guard for the new torpedo heater may come in handy after all. Oh, I'm an idiot. Jesus Christ. Wow. Ah, good one, Corey. Impulse line goes right through the crankcase. Alright, guess I was wrong. Okay, looks like we're good. So I just spent a whole lot of time for no reason, but peace of mind is worth it. So the one that was on it was a WG12A 750. The one I got was a WG13 032. Probably should have done some reading before I actually ordered the new carb. If I'm remembering correctly, people were putting a Tilston 12. May have been a Super Seed, I'm not sure. So I don't know if this will, I don't know. I'll have to do some reading. I did waste my money on the wrong carb. Of course, my own fault. And also on the other intake, I need to get the collar as well, so I need to order that. So slap the old carb back in, play around with the 361 coil, but from what I read, timing's off. I'm gonna put it in where it's set with the Woodruff key, and then just see how it goes from there, but I'll probably have to advance the timing. I wonder how important it is that those wires be sleeved in with shielding. Dummy. And you guys know what I'm doing. I'm gonna turn the camera off. This is a joke for you. What kind of idiot doesn't take off limiter screws while he has the carb out? This kind of idiot. Yay. I'm about tired of working on this thing. And if I understood what I read quickly, it should run, but it should run like crap right now. That's not good. Everybody asks me if I'm like a steel tech or anything. I think this video showcased how much I'm not. I just like to tinker with shit and learn as I go. And if I were smart, I'd have done a bunch of reading before starting this, but me being me, I kind of just jump right in and learn as I go, which usually ends up costing money, as shown here, buying the wrong parts and whatnot. I like doing it though, even though I get frustrated at times. So we'll come back to this. Have a good one, humans.